Hey, there you go.
Yo, welcome back to the channel. Excuse the music in the back. Once, like always, we do not own rights to this music, so YouTube do not block our channel, please. We are back at it again, suited and booted, dressed to impress. Right here next to a cool airplane. Nah, I'm just playing. We came to another car show. Came to another lowrider car show, and I brought my setup. You know how I had to do it. I had to come with everything. So let me show it to y'all. Brought the lowrider bike as well. So I'm still kind of setting up basically. Got my little thing going, about to start putting everything up. Stuff I ain't gonna need. So right now it's still setup time. So let me just get this done and I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the cars. I got y'all.
If you slip, you can jump, it fall in the nighttime. Gotta get mine. Hey, taking a shot on the lounge and top of the phone. Call up my homie, tape at home, polishing this Mac 10 chrome. Got a lick, we can hit so quarter click. Cause once again, it's time to the zone with a flip of bird. My wit to the curb, so I swerve and roll loud. To pick up the rest of my thugs, let's sprayed on the mission for calling up more now. Joe, when I hit the bump, gonna ride like every day. With 4 more thugs, I'ma bro with and stroll it till we end up in the grave and lay. Putting in the drive lane, we spotted the place and quickly rolled up. Gotta make that money, man. Hopped out of the ride, see flesh, then showed up. Fucking a kaboom, so drop it on down when them into the room. Them doom, and I'm shaking the dice and hit them in naturals on them fools, and I'm looking lovely. Yeah, better not think it's funny. I'm coming up quicker than 9 quads, cause flesh be loving his money.
I'm giving up love to the hustlers, all them saints that busters, making that money, stand on your feet. And you better believe, gotta have that cheese for the green leaves, never catch me sleep. Steady on the grind, get mine, stand down from a crime, and I hit up the 99. Gotta keep that bankroll, making me say a 20s, nickels and dime. Here's a stick up a lick up that 211. Gotta get what's mine, been failing. Me kicking up dust, I'm a trailing, failing 187. That's how it is, that I got to have it in the night. What? Mission to check a meal, to still be real, thugging on the clock, like creeping on the come up. Won't sleep till I'm done up, gotta blaze my gun up. Hunt up another plotting scheme, gotta make some great soldiers nut up, what up? Gotta get that business on, even though the Buddha run this dumb it feel.
Sold up, brought his cars. He about to set up. Say what's up to the camera.
Hey, what's up, baby? You know, Indigenous Car Club, you know, we in this thing, you know. Come and represent, you know what I'm saying, for the Toydrive, you know, aka car show. So here to have fun, man. Shout out to my boy, man. What's good, dude?
Yes, sir. We about to have a good time.
Is this the new edition right here? Yes, sir. I painted the desk. And I added it.
go for a little stroll right now that we got time. There's probably gonna be a lot more cars coming. So check it out, man.
Celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A dedication to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time, yeah, yeah. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure?
Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Some hoes wanna choose, but the bitch is too scared. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Some hoes wanna choose, but the bitch is too scared.
Every time I hit the parking lot, I turn heads. I told Jay replace the swishers with honeys to burn bread. On that other shit, too much attention to track bids like it was cornbread. Parking my neck by the sherm head. Real tall hood niggas got these niggas trying to swagger check. They old school, they can never get they swagger back. Palomino seats stepping on the plastic mats. I gave the hood a heart attack, making some plastic pack. Who's next to Blix? Bitch, I got that plastic Mac. Belts jumping off the truck, now watch me pass the rents. Niggas hating on the truth, I'm about to pass it back. They probably pissed I lit the torch and never passed it back. I'm Houston alone, some people might say that I'm wrong, but I'm like
You're sitting on the couch, you're watching TV, and your life is passing you by. You keep procrastinating over and over. Well, maybe I'll go to school next year, maybe next semester. No, do it right now. They'll work with you after work, or you can go before work. You can do whatever you need to do to graduate. Go talk to somebody right now. They out to help you. You spend all day on the phone anyhow.
Why don't you make a phone call that's gonna help you in your future? All you gotta do is pick up the phone and make the call. Why are you making it complicated? It's easy.
Another raffle. Well, my friend won a nice bike. My man always winning. More cars are coming in. Probably do another walk around. I like these old cars, man. Those cars are classics. Alright, so they just did a beach cruiser giveaway. I didn't win, bro. It was number 3. Number 20. Number 3 won.
Alright, this next drawing is for a winner of a bucket. You're gonna get a bucket of beer, that's right.
That's the one I want to win.
Richard, ticket number 25. Ticket number 25, Richard, you're the winner.
Damn it.
Ticket number 25, Richard, you are the winner.
No beers for me. No beers for us, bro. Take a little smoke break. I do not condone smoking, but we're here, man. Nice little vibe, I like it. Probably take out the drone in a little bit, get you some angles. So check it out.
And then, okay, with the RC cars, and this is our first time with RC cars. I am so sorry. We weren't supposed to have the boulevard, but it didn't make it in the rain and stuff. But I want to thank y'all for coming out. Please, next year, come all back. Please come back. Okay. As I call you up, come up here and bring your number with you, and then just stand here for a second. Okay, can I get number 20?
Yeah.
Number 20!
Hey.
Is that you? Yeah.
Hey, here you go. Hey.
Last but not least, I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work. I want to thank me for having no days off. I want to thank me for never quitting. I want to thank me for always being a giver and trying to give more than I receive. I want to thank me for trying to do more right than wrong. I want to thank me for just being me at all times. Snoop Dogg, you a bad.
Number 25.
There you go.
Yeah, he's got a lot. Got number 25, 26, 47, 28, and 29.
All of them. House. You got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh.
Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Doing so much.
Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night. Shouting, scheming, finding reason to defend all of your violent nights. Promise me, don't you grow up in a hurry. Your mama be worried. Oh, it was all part of the story. Even the scary nights, thank you for all of the glory. You will be remembered. Oh, thank you to all of the heroes. They gotta repeat the chorus. The law is reality is upon us. Quarters dripping low, falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep.